In this video, we're going to show you how to fix CSV imports creating duplicate products in Shopify. CSV imports are an efficient way to add or update products in bulk. However, if your CSV file isn't prepared correctly, Shopify may create duplicate products instead of updating your existing ones. This can lead to a cluttered product catalog, duplicate listings, inventory confusion, and inaccurate reports. The good news is that duplicate products are usually caused by a few common CSV mistakes, and they're easy to prevent once you understand how Shopify matches product data. By the end of this video, you'll know why duplicate products are created during CSV imports and how to avoid them in future imports. So, let's get started. The first method is to check the product handle. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard and export your current products as a CSV file. Open the file in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets and locate the Handle column. The product handle is the unique identifier Shopify uses to recognize an existing product. If the handle is changed or missing, Shopify treats the product as a completely new item and creates a duplicate. Next, avoid creating new product handles when editing your CSV file. If you're only updating prices, inventory, descriptions, or images, leave the existing handle exactly as it is. Only change product handles if you intentionally want to create a different product. Another important step is to update existing products rather than rebuilding the CSV file from scratch. Whenever possible, export your products from Shopify first, edit the necessary fields, and then import the same file back into Shopify. This reduces formatting errors and helps Shopify correctly match existing products. You should also verify variant information. If products have multiple variants, make sure the variant rows remain connected to the correct product handle. Incorrect variant formatting can create duplicate products or duplicate variants during import. Before importing, review your CSV file carefully. Check for accidental duplicate rows, blank handles, or formatting errors that could confuse Shopify during the import process. After importing, review your product catalog. Search for recently updated products and confirm that existing listings were updated instead of duplicated. If duplicates were created, remove the unnecessary products and correct the CSV file before importing again. In most situations, these steps will prevent duplicate products during CSV imports. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, keep the existing product handles unchanged. Second, edit an exported Shopify CSV instead of creating a new file from scratch. And third, verify variant data and review your CSV before importing. Remember that the product handle is the key Shopify uses to identify existing products. Keeping your handles consistent is the easiest way to update products without creating duplicates. And that's how to fix CSV imports creating duplicate products in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.